like a balloon!
Oh my god!
Go walk down there in the grass.
Gosh. That was great!
Turn around.
Turn around! Make your muscles!
Show me them muscles.
Shoot, I have pecs the size of footballs. Stop hitting my butt.
I think that's better than yours! I think that's better than trying to do 70s. That's awesome, Brandon. That's so funny.
Where's like the little thing that's stuck in the air?
Oh, God.
Back up.
Back up so we can see and get a good picture.
Quit touching yourself.
I think I'm losing air.
That's it. That's the costume, though. That's
No,
it.
no. Go away.
Leave him alone for a minute.
That fat man's gonna chase you again.
That's funny.
I think I'm losing on my legs. I think that's why I'm losing air.
We'll pull it up higher on your legs because they long enough where you can do that. That's funny, Brandon. That's perfect.